These things have become so popular over the last few months, and I've tested out quite a few of these. Now, the brand did gift this to me. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. This is 4 speeds. All you're going to do to turn it on is long press the button. And if you can see right there, they give you a nice LED screen, so you know exactly how much power you have. You're going to click this button here to turn it on. There's speed 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to be able to do an air mattress with this nozzle. And you're also going to be able to do other little inflatables with this nozzle. But what about cleaning off your electronics? Well, they give you detail brushes in here. That's a nice touch. All kinds of detail brushes. Go through and just use the blower and then use this nice soft brush. And you're going to get in all around the keys. Okay? And it's just going to clean everything off there. There it all is in the corner. Look. Clean. A pool inflatable that we want to pump up, so we'll put this nozzle on there. All you're going to do is just insert it into the air valve. Let's put it on power 4. And look. And in what, 10 seconds or so, we were able to pump up this pool inflatable. So you're going to be able to do an entire air mattress with this. This gets a really long battery life as well. In my opinion, this is just one of those tools that you got to have around the house. There's just so many different uses for it. You can blow things up. Right. You can pump things up. You can go ahead and dust with it, clean off things. It's really handy. You get all these nozzles with it, great battery life, and you're never going to have to buy compressed air. I love these things. They're a lot of fun, but they're also super practical. That is my quick review. And as always, thanks for watching.